Hi, Year 8, and welcome to a lesson on series circuits. So by now, you should have looked at simple circuits and on modelling circuits and the different types of models we use to explain circuits. So the idea of current and voltage should be ideas that you're comfortable with. That current's the flow of negative charge or electrons, and voltage is a measure of how much energy or how much push they've got. So what we're going to look at now is particular types of circuit. And the first one we're going to look at is series circuits. So you should have got these slides here. Welcome to series circuits. Now there's two videos for you to watch. There's this one, and then there's the freesciencelessons.com that explains current in series circuits, because that's what we're looking at first, current in series circuits. So what should you be able to do by the end of the day? So you should know how you should set up a series circuit. We obviously can't do that because we're not in school, but you should be able to set one up and to measure current and voltage in a series circuit, what we use to measure them. The other thing that we should be starting to get quite good at is this idea of drawing a circuit diagram. Now, even if you don't need to hand it in, although you could take a picture and add it to your slides, it's a really good practice to draw some circuit diagrams because they're really important things to be able to do. We draw them with a ruler. They always have absolutely straight lines, and those lines always join very neatly. You see what I'm doing with the cursor there at the corners. They must join, otherwise your circuit isn't complete. So they really do need to be quite neat. So there's our cell at the top. There's our bulb at the bottom and our wires by the straight lines. Now, the idea of series means one after another. If you watch a television series, you get episode 1, episode 2, episode 2, 3, and a series circuit is the same. The current flows out of the cell, goes all the way around, it goes through one, then another, then back again. It goes through every component one after another. There is only one circuit for it to take round. Now, you're not able to actually set up the circuit, so there's a practical here, but that is what we would have been doing. So what you need to be able to do is to look at a circuit diagram and know what it's asking you to make, because you won't get a picture like this. You'll get a circuit diagram and I'll be asked to do something with that. So having watched the video, there are some questions down here. Now, for these, you just have to say true or false. You can put a little T or an F after each of those. And then at the end, there are some questions. Now, some of the questions are quite simple. Some of the questions have got red next to them saying this is challenge. If you're not comfortable doing the challenge questions, don't. Just go through those basic things. So series circuits. And next we will be looking at parallel circuits. So good luck with that. I hope that goes well, and I will speak to you for your next lesson.